In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete an invoice in HoneyBook step by step. Whether you're streamlining your bookkeeping or simply correcting a mistake, this process is simple and efficient. So let's dive right in. To begin, you want to navigate to the HoneyBook homepage. Open your web browser and type in the HoneyBook URL or use a saved bookmark if you have one. Once you're logged in and you're at the home page, you'll be met with an overview of your projects and tasks. From here, direct your attention to the menu where you'll find the Invoices tab. This is your gateway to managing all your invoice-related activities. Next, we'll need to click on the Invoices tab. Clicking here will take you to a new page dedicated to all your invoices. It's like stepping into a room that houses every financial document you have issued and received. This section is essential for tracking the status and history of your invoices. As you look through this section, you might notice that there aren't any invoices marked as sent. This could be because you haven't sent any yet, or perhaps those you sent have been archived. So we must check another key area, the drafts. Often an invoice you think was sent might still be sitting comfortably in the drafts, waiting for your next move. To dive into your drafts, head over to the section labeled Draft Invoices. Clicking on Draft will reveal any invoice you've prepared but haven't sent out to a client. Go through this list leisurely, as the invoice you want to delete might just be hiding here, warming up on the bench as it awaits final approval. Once you've found the draft invoice you no longer need, it's time to say goodbye. Look around until you find an option labeled Delete. Clicking delete will open a confirmation window, making sure you're certain about this decision. It's a handy safety net preventing accidental deletions. Confirm your choice, and with a simple confirmation, the invoice will be deleted from your list of drafts. Congratulations, you've successfully mastered the task of deleting an invoice on HoneyBook. This process helps keep your invoicing system organized and clutter-free, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, managing your projects and relationships efficiently. With just a few clicks, you've ensured that only the necessary documents remain, showcasing your attention to detail and proficiency with HoneyBook's tools. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made your invoicing experience a little smoother. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your workflow with HoneyBook. See you in the next video.